Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and on this example I will show you how to get access to display settings, and I will explain what display settings you can adjust in your Suzuki vehicle. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. As you can see here, this is the standard home screen of Suzuki Infotainment. You can choose here the settings. Let me tap settings. And as you can see, you've got the full list of available settings that you can use on your Suzuki car. Let's choose here the display settings, the first option. And if you tap display settings, you've got access to those three sections. One of them is display control. Here you can adjust the brightness of your screen. As you can see, I'm using the brightest one. The brightest is 20, but I can make it really dark if I want it. But I think the brightest possible screen in Suzuki is the best option. Let's go back. You've got here also date and night mode. As you can see, you can use the automatic date and night, so the car uses a light sensor to automatically switch to a dark mode at night and a light mode during the day for better visibility in the sunlight, of course. And you can also manually turn the day mode or the night mode if you would like to, for example, use the dark theme all the time. In my case, the automatic date and night mode is the best option, so let me confirm auto. And what else? You've got here also the home screen AV position. So this settings controls the layout of your multimedia, audio and video, information on the home screen. It is currently set to a driver side. So this is the most important information the most important settings, like the radio station or the song title, will be positioned closer to the driver for easier viewing. And if you would like to change it to a passenger side, you can also do it. It's pretty obvious that you can do it just by tapping passenger side. Alright, so I think that's it. You can here adjust your display, and you can do it in almost every Suzuki car right now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.